Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in household tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a product perfect for plant enthusiasts and indoor gardeners alike. Say hello to the IMEEA Small Watering Can, a stainless steel marvel designed to make watering your plants a breeze. This isn't just any watering can. It's the best small watering can available in the market right now. Why? Let's find out. The IMEEA Small Watering Can stands out for its quality construction and thoughtful design. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed finish, this watering can is not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to your gardening routine. Its compact size, holding up to 15 ounces, makes it perfect for smaller plants like bonsai, succulents, or herb pots. The long, slender spout is a game-changer, allowing you to reach those tricky spots in between plants without spilling a drop. Let's break down what makes this watering can a must-have. First off, the ergonomic design ensures it's easy to hold and maneuver, even for extended watering sessions. The long spout isn't just for show, it's practical too. It directs water precisely where you need it, preventing accidental spills and overwatering. Perfect for maintaining the health of delicate houseplants. Imagine yourself effortlessly watering your desk plants in the office or tending to your bonsai collection at home. The IMEEA Small Watering Can makes it easy with its manageable size and precise pouring capabilities. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this can is your go-to tool for nurturing plants of all kinds. Its versatility shines through, adapting to various plant sizes and pot types seamlessly. Users rave about its sturdiness and ease of use. The brushed stainless steel not only resists rust but also gives it a modern aesthetic that complements any indoor garden setup. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish watering can that won't let you down, look no further than the IMEEA Small Watering Can. From its quality build to its practical design, it ticks all the boxes for indoor plant care. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy gardening!